Dan Sweet Hydrochem Systems. Here's another what we call a gold package. It's a single bin lifter with 11-stage wastewater recycling and filtration on it. Has trailer wrap on there, that's an option. This is a 3500 PSI at 8 gallon, which happens to be a true 35 at 8 because it's powered with a 25 horse Kohler. That has the stainless steel frame upgrade on it. Vacuum recycling system. This can vacuum wastewater up to 100 feet away from the trailer. Has a single bin lifter. This one is still much faster than our competitor's dual bin system that typically takes an average of 10 minutes to clean one can that has not been cleaned in years. They call them starter cans or one-time cleanings. This system here will do them in an average of about 30 seconds. That's a 20 times savings in labor, water, fuel, equipment wear and tear. You know, and when it comes to maintenance cans when you go back every month, we can clean them in roughly 8 seconds. On the inside of the can, then you just use a gun to rinse the outside off. This also has an inlet hose drill already on the trailer and a high pressure hose. We're going to put an additional hose. And the winterizing on it. So, Dan Sweet Hydrochem Systems, just showing you another feature, another client that's actually going to be in Texas. So, ABC Advanced Bin Cleaning. Jeff will be here tomorrow for training and his family, and we'll take good care of him. Thank you again.